Hey guys, what's up? Today we're gonna be working on this Kia Rio. So we're gonna change the mirror, but not the entire mirror. The mirror still works, just the glass is broken. So we're gonna go ahead and replace the glass. So you wanna go ahead, push this all the way back and all the way to the corner, just so you can have a gap down here. And we're gonna put some tape on here so we do not scratch the plastic. So let's do that. So it will be the same procedure on most cars, even if it's not a Kia Rio, just to change the glass. It's gonna be the same procedure on most cars. So once we have that protected, we're gonna get a flathead screwdriver. So you want to get your flathead screwdriver, come underneath here, and you pry it. You hear it pop, you can just hold that right there. Right this side, you hear it get released. Pry it some more.
Well, that car you put in the list that protected, you needed a battery, there was no battery in there.
Alright, so just gonna wreck it out like that. So this one have heated mirror, so you're gonna have to unplug that. Also, if the mirror have blind spot warning, you will have to unplug that too, but this one doesn't have that. Only thing you have is heated mirror. So this right here is your part number, so you can pause it and get it from there. So we're just gonna open this. So what we're gonna do is, just so we don't mix up anything, we're gonna unplug it from here. Just shake it a little bit and unplug it. So the black go all the way to this side, or the red and the black go to this side. And it's glued pretty tight. And get the block over here, push it until you hear a clip. No, I can't take it. I can't take it on this second. So once we have those in place, I'm gonna go ahead and line the mirror up along with this circular thing right here, with this right here. Once you push it in, you hear a clip. You can go ahead and remove the tape. You want to push it to all four corners. And then you can go ahead and clean the mirror. Alright guys, so just make sure your mirror works in all directions. And yeah, it does work in all directions, and that's it for the end of the video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time.